In today's world, technology has become an integral part of our lives. It has made our lives easier, more efficient, and more convenient. There are countless gadgets out there that can help us become more productive, organized, and even healthier. In this video, we will discuss 14 incredible gadgets that can give you superpowers and make you feel like a superhero. Number 1. Surpro S1 Drywall Stilts. These are adjustable stilts designed for professionals or DIY enthusiasts when working on ceilings, walls, or other elevated areas. They are made from high-quality aluminum alloys, which makes them durable yet lightweight. It features a height adjustment mechanism that allows the user to adjust the height of the stilts from 18 inches to 30 inches, providing a range of heights suitable for different tasks. The footplates of the Surpro S1 drywall stilts are wide and non-slip, providing a stable base for the user while working. It is also equipped with durable and adjustable padded straps and buckles that provide comfort and support to the user's legs and feet. The $429 gadget is reliable for anyone looking for high-quality stilts for drywall works or other elevated tasks. Number 2. Unicon Bionic Boots. Add a little super to your human status by sliding your feet into these high-tech boots. These Bionic boots are perfect for sports or exercise. They allow you to run faster, jump higher, and bounce to superiority. They are designed with speargun springs that store energy in each stride, releasing you with longer stride length and better energy recoil. It features bands from speargun tubing, which are adjustable to different bounce heights depending on your desired agility. The boots also possess some health benefits, which include weight loss. They are also great for general exercise as they significantly reduce stress, increase relaxation, and build up the torso. You can get it at the price of $998. Number 3. Ottobock's Paexo Neck. The Ottobock Paexo Neck is a must-have gadget for anyone involved in manual work above the shoulder, such as ceiling installation and automotive assembly. It is a medical gadget designed to support and immobilize the neck. The device comprises a collar that wraps around the neck and is secured with an adjustable strap. It is designed to be comfortable to wear, with soft padding and a contoured shape that fits the neck's natural curvature. The device is adjustable to fit different neck sizes, and its lightweight design allows for ease of movement while providing necessary support to the neck. The gadget is sold for $360. Number 4. Ekso Bionix Eksowork. This gadget aims to reduce the number of workers injured while working. It is designed to provide power without pain. The exoskeleton is worn like a backpack and consists of an external frame that supports the user's arms, back, and shoulders, reducing the risk of fatigue and injury. One of the key features of this gadget is its lightweight design, which allows users to move freely and perform tasks without feeling restricted or weighed down. Requiring no additional batteries, charging, or electrical power of any kind, Eksowork allows for a full day of wear without any downtime. It can be implemented with a touch of the toggle switch on each shoulder, allowing individuals to put the vest on and work without additional help. Number 5. HeroWear Apex. Have you ever felt like a superhero? Well, now you can with HeroWear Apex, the world's first exoskeleton designed for everyday people. It is a back assist exosuit designed to reduce back strain while fitting like a comfortable piece of clothing thanks to its lightweight materials. The suit's assistance reduces muscle fatigue by up to 40% and muscle strain by up to 40%, giving hardworking men and women more energy on the job, a lower risk of injury, and a better quality of life away from work. It features a dual-mode technology to make it easy to turn the back assistance on or off, allowing it to be used in nearly any work situation. It also comes with shoulder straps in 6 sizes, making it suitable for anyone. There are also elastic bands, which work like an extra set of back muscles. Interestingly, the gadget is automatic, not powered by a battery. You can get this high-tech gadget for $1,299. Number 6. German Bionic Cray X. This is another gadget designed to make life easier for hard workers. Delivering up to 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, of support per lifting movement and providing active walking assistance, the Cray X is designed to protect the health of manual workers and optimize their workload. Cray X is IP54 certified, making it dust and waterproof and suitable for use in various environments, such as construction sites, outdoor warehouses, and automotive workshops. A removable 40V battery and an intelligent energy management system are incorporated to deliver the necessary power. It also features an AI algorithm that automatically detects signs of poor posture and incorrect lifting practices and immediately alerts the user. On launch, it is available at a monthly starting price of $499. Put simply, you're probably not going to rent one of these things to move furniture around the house. Number 7. Sarcos Guardian XO. The Guardian XO is the world's first full-body, battery-powered industrial exoskeleton, which can safely lift and manipulate up to 200 lbs to increase human productivity while ensuring safety. To be more practical, one person combined with one Guardian XO can perform the output equivalent of 4 to 10 workers. It contains more than 120 sensors, detecting the user's movements within a millisecond, thereby reducing latency and eliminating the need to fix the sensor on the user. The power consumption is under 400 dully. More practically, it consumes roughly the same amount in power as an LED big screen television. It is also powered by 2 lithium-ion hot-swappable batteries, enabling near-continuous operation. This gadget is available for rent for over $100,000 per year. Number 8. Sarcos Guardian GT. The Guardian GT can be taunted as the most bonkers robot on Earth. Bonkers in the sense that, unlike the clunky power loader, these 7-foot-long arms replicate human motions with incredible smoothness and accuracy, each limb lifting 500 pounds, then turning around and manipulating the most delicate objects. It is kinematically equivalent, meaning it's arranged like a human, making it convenient. On top of that, the robot uses force feedback, so the operator can feel the environment through the machine's hand, which consists of 3 fingers instead of 5. If you have a spare $60,000, you can order one. Number 9. Sarcos Guardian XT. This gadget is another one from Sarcos. Like the previous two, the Guardian XT is designed to increase worker safety and efficiency in challenging work environments. It has 1 or 2 upper bodies, making it ideal for various industrial applications, including at height, overhead, and ground-level configurations. The platform-agnostic robot attaches to various mobile bases, including wheeled or tracked vehicles such as boom lifts, scissor lifts, and bucket trucks, to address maintenance and logistics needs. It can be used both indoors and outdoors. Also, it is battery-operated, giving it maximum portability and use in unstructured environments. Number 10. Gravity Jet Suit. With this gadget, you are free to go wherever your mind conceives. No gravity ties you down, and you are not a passenger sitting on or in a flight machine. You're flying as a human, powered by 5 turbine engines generating 1050 BUP and 318 pounds, 144 kilograms of thrust. The jet suit has a range of about 3 miles, 5 kilometers, and a flight time measured in minutes, up to 4, but typically 1 to 3 depending on the situations. Those are severe limitations, but the advantages of the suit are its speed of over 50 miles per hour, 80 km/h, and its ability to lift a pilot vertically to an altitude of up to 12,000 feet, 3,658 meters, and land on a small footprint. This capability is useful when it comes to quickly getting aid to an injured person in a mountainous area. You can also buy one of these if you have $450,000. Number 11. Spinal Armor Back Support System. This gadget is designed to provide enough support to your back and allows complete freedom of movement while reducing your back pain. It is made from high-quality, durable materials that last longer than cheaper black belts and braces. The extra-wide compression straps and easy pull thumb tabs allow you to adjust the amount of compression and back easily support you need. The ergonomic design and breathable materials make it comfortable to wear all day, either at work or play. Also, it can be worn outside or under clothing, and it is available in different sizes for men and women. You can get it at the price of $249. Number 12. Astride Bionix Enyware. Spending a long time beside our phone, tablet, or laptop always results in different pain around the body for the number of time spent behind the desk. This smart seat has come to ease that for you. Enyware applied the right amount of force from its dual lumbar to roll up your pelvis and shape your spine into an S shape. A sensor is also integrated into the gadget to track your daily habits. It's portable and adjustable, making it perfect for use. You can get it at the price of $189. Number 13. Robotics. This gadget is a smart knee orthodox that delivers relief to knee pain and also helps improve mobility. It is a mobile knee exoskeleton for daily activities like kneeling, squatting, and ascending and descending stairs or ramps. It works by sensing motion through a pneumatic actuator, which converts compressed air into mechanical motion. Ascend is produced from lightweight plastic and fabrics and also provides non-surgical surgery. You can get it for $7,000. Number 14. Noonee Chairless Chair 2.0. This gadget is an innovative exoskeleton chair with an ergonomic design, allowing you to take body weight off the leg. In contrast, the entire design can be adjusted for standing or seated position. It is adjustable between 150 meters to 200 meters in height, so it offers excellent size adaptation and height adjustment for several job functions. A reduction in weight by 25% contributes to its lightweight design and makes for easy transport. You can get it for $2,682. What are your thoughts on these gadgets, and which are you planning to buy? Let's know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.